Jamie and this is Phil, and welcome to Signs by Van. Hey everybody, so welcome to Signs by Van. We've been around since 1981 and we've made some pretty incredible signage over our 41 years of being in business. Come on inside, we want to show you around. So Signs by Van offers a whole bunch of different types of signs that we've built over the years, but our staple signs that we've built have been our CNC routed stuff like you see here for the firefighter sign that we've done. We've done a lot of hand carving, like this Hahn Winery sign that we were able to get 4 of these back from Hahn. Another staple would be the Steinbeck Gardens Inn sign, which is sandblasted Western red cedar and or sequoia redwood. You've got fully 3-dimensional signage like we did for Schnarly's down on Cannery Row. You've got some really cool CNC routed signage for Testarossa Winery down in Carmel Valley. And here's one of our most recent ones that we've just done. We've donated this to Miss Oliveria's class. Everyone's welcome. This is CNC routed Western red cedar. So if there's signage that you guys need or it's something that's outside of the box, give us a call, we'll take a look at it, we'll get you a quote, and we'll get it right back over to you.
Hi, my name's Phil Vanderkratz, and I started this company about 41 years ago, right when my son was in the process of coming into this world, and I knew that when I was working for the company that I was, which was Curoc of Monterey, that I needed to make more money to be able to raise my family. So one thing led to the other, and a friend of mine showed me how to do a sandblasted sign, and I fell in love with that process, and I started my company very shortly after that. I made my first sign for a guy by the name of Larry Nordwick, which was a photographer in Monterey, and he had that same sign I did for over 35 years. We've evolved through the years in the last 41 years doing just amazing, beautiful, artistic stuff. That's kind of what we specialize in, 3-dimensional, artistic types of signs. And we really made it our study to make the type of signs that we make apropos for this entire area here. Monterey Peninsula is filled with artists, and of course this whole area is beautiful. So we wanted to make sure that the signs that we produced were of the same caliber, and we wanted to try to set a precedence for other sign companies to follow as well, and I think we actually accomplished that. Now here we are 41 years later, and we've acquired a CNC machine that's just amazing. It literally does things that I would have never thought possible in a short period of time. So we've been able to build the business, and from that it's been a great journey. I can say that the thing that I'm the most proud of our business and the 40 plus years that we've been in business is our sense of integrity in dealing with our clients and working to give them the best possible sign. What I've always done is whenever I look at a project, I look at it as if I'm going into business as that business and create the best sign that would enable success. So I think that's one of the things I'm the most proud of.
I wanted to show you a really cool project that we're working on. We're going to be CNC routing a large eagle, and it's going to be all 3-dimensional here on our Morbidelli M100. Come on down and I'll show you how it all starts. So the first thing that we do is we have our software already preloaded. We create it in Adobe Illustrator, and we use a couple other 3-dimensional programs. Then we upload it up to this mainframe computer that's attached directly to the CNC. I'm going to go ahead and pick my 1001 file. That's going to load this whole program up. I'm then going to go and I'm going to turn on our vacuum pumps. These are German Becker vacuum pumps that you can hear just turned on in the background. I'm going to go ahead and OK the program, and it's going to be uploading onto this main screen here, which is pretty cool. So that takes just a few seconds here to load up. We're going to come on over here, and we're going to bring these up. So what these are alignment posts, and they operate pneumatically. So then that way you can take your piece and you don't have it askew in one way. You bring this in, lock it in. Once that's locked in, now you'll hear that engage, and that actually is bringing about 700 pounds per square inch of suction from underneath this aluminum billet table. Okay, so the program is still uploading. It's almost done. It's at about 85%. This is going to be done here in just a minute. As soon as this gives us the green okay, I'm going to come over here. These automatically drop when it's ready to start, and then you press the magic green button. Here we go. So what's happening right now is the machine is pulling air, and what that's doing is it's loading up its tool. It's got a bay of 34 tools that it chooses from. Now that it's selected the correct tool, it's going to come over and start the cutting process. So how has the Salinas Chamber of Commerce helped us so far? We've been working in and around the Salinas Chamber for many, many years. We've been working in Salinas for, like I said, close to 41 years. And one thing and one reason why we just rejoined the Chamber is because Steve Mcshane reached out to us. We've worked alongside Steve Mcshane for a really long time. He's a wonderfully charismatic human being that really has a knack for bringing a lot of people together, and we couldn't be more excited about him being the new president of the Chamber. We know that he's going to bring a ton of value, and it was just a no-brainer when he reached out to us. So here's to a lot of cool things going down in the future here, and we can't wait to continue this journey.